So we have an order from Sicon Limited, and there's that Add Documents button, which is where we now have the capacity to attach something like a customer's purchase order. But again, you can distinguish the different types of documentation that you might want to attach within here. All I'm basically doing now is attach my order, and that's now attached directly through to the sales order. What I'm now doing is just using the standard Sage methodology of confirming that order and dispatching it. But we have this extra little button that allows us now to email that out directly. So it's going to pick up the role, which includes the email address of where that needs to go, and it's going to automatically send that out for us, as you'll see in a moment. Having dispatched that, we can do exactly the same process when it comes to the invoice. So again, same button to email and archive, and all it's going to do again is it's going to pick up the role and email address of who we want that invoice to go through to. So if we come and take a look at our inbox, you'll see that there's the draft email that's sending out the dispatch note, and there's the attachment of the image of the espresso machine. And similarly, if I come to my sent, there's the invoice that we sent out with a copy of the sales order invoice, and again, that stock image for us. We've now come into the purchase order, and again, we've got that capacity to attach any additional documentation if we wanted to. But what I'd like to do is email that out directly with, again, any additional corresponding documentation through to my supplier. So again, same email and archive button that you saw earlier on. So we've sent that purchase order off through to the supplier. We've received the goods. Again, I'm in the standard Sage goods received. And again, we've got that same Add Documents button, which allows me to be able to attach additional documentation.